Hey everybody, in this video we are going to solve two systems of equations, one by graphing and one by substitution. Our first equation here for graphing is in y equals mx plus b. b, the y-intercept is 4, and the slope is 3, so that's up 3 and right 1. It's a little off the graph, but that's okay. Down 3 and left 1 keeps that same slope, and we'll do that through the entire graph. And there is the first line. The second line, I'm going to make a t-chart here to find the x and y intercepts. So where x is 0, that will get me the y-intercept. So I put in a 0 for x, and this basically just goes away. 6 divided by -2 is -3. So 0, -3, that's the y-intercept. When I plug in a 0 for y, I will find the x-intercept, and this goes away. So I have 6 equals -x, which means x equals -6. So -6, 0 is the x-intercept. Now that's down 3 and right 6, so I could simplify that to down 1 and right 2, and I would normally put in more points to fill up the graph with as many as I can. But this is enough to see the point of intersection. That point is -2, -2. 2 to the left, 2 down. That is the solution. For number 2, solve by substitution, the easiest variable to get alone is this y right here. So I'm going to move this 2x over and get y equals -2x plus 6. And I will substitute that right there for y. So I've got 7x plus 7y, and the y becomes -2x plus 6 equals 14. And I can distribute and get 7x minus 14x plus 42 equals 14. Okay, so then I can subtract the 42 from both sides and combine these like terms. 7x minus 14x is -7x, and 14 minus 42 is -28. So -7x equals -28, and divide by -7, and I get x is +4. Then I would plug that into, I think the bottom equation is going to be easier, so 2, and I'll put a box around that so I don't lose it. 2 times 4 plus y equals 6. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. So if I just subtract 8 from both sides, I get y equals -2. So that means the point of intersection should be the point for -2. Now we can check that. So 7 times 4 is 28, plus 7 times -2 is -14. 28 plus -14 is 14. So this solution checks out in the first equation. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then plus -2 is 6. So this solution checks out in both equations, so I know it is correct.